Today I'm going to show you how to archive locally in Outlook. Right, so we're in Outlook Classic. On the left hand side, we're going to go to File, and we're going to come down over here to Account Settings, and then we're going to go into Account Settings again. Over here, we're looking for data files, and we want to click on Add. Now, once we click on Add, this will give you the opportunity to create a folder on your local PC so that you can archive your emails to this folder. So for example, we are going to use downloads. Okay, we are going to set it right over here. Okay, and now I've already done this, so this is what it looks like here. So this is a location. Let's go ahead and click on close. We're going to go back into file, and this time we're going to look for tools, and here we're going to look for clean up old items. This will allow you to move old items to an Outlook data file. Go ahead and select this, look for the file or the emails that you would like to archive. Go ahead and archive the items older than, choose a date range. You can include do not auto archive. And right over here, you will see the archive file. This is the location that it will be archived to. Go ahead, click on browse, and go and select the folder that you previously created. Now, I used downloads as a sample, but within your local computer, you'll have a folder. Go ahead and select that folder, click on OK. You'll now see that this is the path. Go ahead and click on OK. And once you're done, when you go into that folder locally on your computer, you will find all of your archived files there.